Immerse yourself in Joyful Paws, a heartwarming compilation capturing the contagious joy of canine sneezes. From endearing snorts to whimsical sniffles, each sneeze is a reminder of the boundless joy our furry friends bring. Explore Doggone Delight, where canine charisma meets laughter in a symphony of joy. These dogs are true ambassadors of delight, spreading happiness with every tail wag and sneeze. Beyond a visual treat, this compilation celebrates the unbreakable bond between humans and their pets. So relax and let Joyful Paws and Doggone Delight fill your heart with happiness. Indulge in laughter therapy, appreciate the profound connection between humans and pets, and enjoy a joy-infused journey. Tune in for an uplifting experience that leaves you smiling.